Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. In today's video, we will see how to download and install SQL Server 2019. So for downloading SQL Server, you can go to Google and type SQL Server download, and this will by default goes to SQL Server downloads here. The first link. Here you have to click on developer download now, and it will download a setup. Here you have to open the setup. After downloading, you have to click on yes. So you have to select basic install. Here you can go with custom, but then you have to select many settings manually, but you can select basic because this will automatically choose default settings. You can choose your install location here from the browse, but we will keep the same location. You can click on install. This will take some time as it will download some files and then install. Don't try to cancel the operation in between, because what will happen, it will download half of the files, and later if you will try to download again, then it can cause some issue. So what you have to do is you have to let it complete the process. Otherwise you have to uninstall the half of changes if you have cancelled the operation. So try to make it complete the first attempt. So this is basically one click process for a 2019 SQL Server, but if you will go with the SQL Server 2008 or 12, then there are like different processes for installing the SQL. But nowadays in SQL 2019, it is just one setup download, and then it will do all the things automatically. So it is more simpler process than the previous versions. So this can take about 10 to 15 minutes to install completely. So as you can see, this setup is about to complete. After the setup is completed, it will show you some settings here. You don't have to change anything here. However, if you want to check if it has completed normally or not, then you can just simply press Window plus R and type services.msc. Click on OK. Now here you have to look for a SQL Server, because if installation is successful, you will see a SQL Server service over here. So you can see SQL Server service here running. So basically it has installed correctly. Now we have to also install the SQL Server Management Studio, because that using that you will be able to access SQL Server. Now for installing that, you will see there is a button here. You can click on that. You have to go down, and here you will see a link saying free download for SQL Server Management Studio. Now you have to click on that, and it will also download one file. That file is large in size, so you can download that. However, I have already downloaded that file, so I will open from there. So this is the setup file that will be downloaded. You have to let it complete, and then you have to double click on that, and this will again start some installation. You can click on yes here. So it is again asking for some location. You can keep the same location and click on install, and it will again download some packages and install everything. It is also a automatic process, so you don't have to worry about anything here. You just have to wait and let it complete the process. So we will wait for some time because this will also take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. As you can see, it is about to complete, so we will see the next steps after that. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes more. As you can see, setup is completed. Now you can close the window and you will go to the previous screen and we will click on connect now. You don't need to actually click there. You can simply go to search and type SQL Server Management Studio, and this is the setup that is installed. You can click on that and it will open SQL Server. So here, if you want to connect to local server, what you can do is you can press a dot here, and you can keep the window authentication here and click on connect. So this will connect to your database here. So this is how you can download and install SQL Server Management Studio. So if you have any issues with the video, you can comment on the video. Thanks for watching.